go.
And you found your sheep. Sheep. Thank you. Can you count the eyes? 2. Should we draw a house? House. Okay. Ready? What shape is that? Square. And roof? Triangle. Good. What's this? Good boy, give me 5. Yay! Good word, Pursuit. We're gonna go. Are we ready? Are we going? We're gonna have a tickle as well. Ready? Tickle, tickle, tickle. You do this. Do arms up. Touch your tummy. What is it? Good boy, touch your knees. Give me 5. Yay, are we ready? Good word. What do we do? What do we do? Around. Liam, say it. What do we do? Around. Good boy. Around. Liam, do it. Good boy. Around. Good.
Oh,
Good boy.
Ready? Just say go when to go. Who is it?
Dogs.
Boy. Who is it?
Pork.
Who is it?
Ben.
Good boy. Who is it?
Miss Toby.
Put Penny on. Who is it?
Davy.
Good boy. Who is it?
Son. Miss Wade.
Good boy, Liam. Well done. Who is it? Mrs.
Yeah.
Very good. Put Penny on. Boy, give me scissors. Boy. Knock. Do this. Good boy. Do this.
Ooh.
Do this. Give me cup.
Ooh.
Clap hands. Good boy.
Owie.
Clap, clap. Oh, I hasn't done that one. Good boy. Well done. Penny on. Give me plate. Good boy. Do this.
Ooh.
Well done.
Ooh.
Do this.
Owie.
Give me scissors.
Owie.
Arms up. Good boy. Well done, Liam. Give me pennies. 1, 2,